Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to write in Onshape. So first thing what we need to do, click on Sketch here at the left side, then right click on it and then Edit. You will see that this top toolbar here changes. So what we are going to do now is select text icon here in toolbar. You will see this big A letter right here. Uh, Click on it, and now we just drag a rectangle box on your workspace to define the general area for your text, like that. Now in the pop-up window that appears, type your words into the text box. You can change the font style, so let's say hello. Now as you can see here at the top, we can change the font style as we like. Then what else we can do? We can change bold, italic if it's option. So let's do that like so. And yeah, what you need to do, click this green check mark inside the text window to place the lettering onto your sketch profile, just like that. Okay, so now extra thing is basically we can make it 3D text. So how we do that? Now click here on this sketch check mark, green check mark, and close your sketch just like that. Now select here the text. You will see when you close the sketch also these tools here changes. And what we are going to do is select the extrude tool from here like that. And what we can do here is change here the depth. Opposite direction, we can also do that. And what we are going to do is simply just take a look right here, like so. As you can see, we created a 3D. And if we are happy with that, we just put here check mark. And as you can see now, we have 3D text right over here. Pretty simple and yeah, effective. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.